Hello and welcome to this brand new interview series of FlexiFunnel Ambassador. FlexiFunnel Ambassador is a term that we have rolled out for people who have achieved a minimum mark of 50,000 rupees using the platform of FlexiFunnels. I am Tanya Verma from Team FlexiFunnels, and here we bring to you an inspiring success story of people who have started their online journey using FlexiFunnels and are now finally living their dream of generating massive results online. And again, for today's interview, we have a new ambassador, new story, and new business numbers that you can also achieve for yourself using FlexiFunnels. Hi, and welcome to this interview. First of all, on behalf of FlexiFunnels team, I would personally like to congratulate you on your massive success that you have generated online. I'm sure it might have been a transforming experience for you also.
Yeah, absolutely. It was fantastic.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, that is great. So let's start with the interview. Please start by introducing yourself to our audience, and please also tell us that what do you do.
Yeah, myself, Rakesh Kumar, and I'm a local digital marketing. We provide lead generation services to local businesses, and especially we are proficient in providing lead generation services to automotive industries and photography. Like we deal with these clients.
Okay, that is very great. Please tell us that like what were the things that you were trying before using FlexiFunnels, and what specifically was hindering your growth during that time?
Yeah, it was like a game changer for us, like when we started using Flexi. But before that, we were very much familiar with Elementor Page Builder, and we were using WordPress for developing the landing pages and website for our clients. And eventually, even I have access for FlexiFunnels from last 1 year, but I never tried using that until and unless I know about the ambassador program, when SBD will like, okay, this is a program. So before that, we were using Elementor and WordPress, and for that, as you know, like we have to use many tools. Like we need to have a super fast hosting services, and then we need to have the Elementor Pro version of Page Builder. Then again, a lot of tools like tracking and analytics. So we were using a lot of tools and having a lot of subscriptions. But when we switched to FlexiFunnels, it was like completely transformed. Like we were saving a lot of subscriptions payment as well. So it was like a very good switch for us.
Okay. So that was my next question, like how FlexiFunnels have exactly impacted your business growth. And if you can share some numbers also, that would be great for our audience to exactly understand.
Yeah. So as I said, like I was having the access to FlexiFunnels from last year, as I was a member, inner circle member of TD. But I never had a try for that because I was thinking like it's again a new learning for me because I was already familiar with Elementor and all this stuff. So I thought like okay, I'll continue with that. But when I heard about FlexiFunnels Ambassador program, and I thought like okay, this is the time that I need to give it a try. So then it was like the first experience. I started the same day building the landing page for my services, and it took around 24 hours for me to build the entire sales for my business. Like I was really shocked to see that it was so intuitive and it was so easy. Like I was able to finish off my entire sales funnel in just 1 day. And all that was done, like the payment integration and then the automation part, the backend stuff, everything was done. So then I thought, like, yeah, I have missed a lot of time on other tools, and we have started promoting that sales page for our clients. And especially, as I said, I told like I deal with this wedding photography clients. So I have run a campaign for them. We have generated around 1.94 lakhs of revenue in just 22 days. So I just started on May 1st, and in 22 days, I was able to generate 1.94, and I was, operating for FlexiFunnels Ambassador, and I was so glad that I found this at that stage. Otherwise, I would have missed all this stuff even now.
That is a great number, 1.94 lakhs in 22 days. And
Yeah,
surely you have put in efforts to do that. Very congratulations on that particular number. And I'm sure you will do great in future also with FlexiFunnels. It's just the
sure,
starting,
sure,
I would say,
definitely.
right? Okay, so
Yeah, yeah.
that were my questions to be asked. But before wrapping this interview, any final message you have for our audience?
Yeah, I would like to say two things. Like I have seen many people like me struggling. So this is a very good platform for anyone to start, even as a new beginner. Like if you have access to FlexiFunnels, it's going to be a game changer for them because even we can start as a freelancer journey, providing the landing page services to clients. And the second part is like everything starts from a single point and then gradually it goes on step by step. And I have gone through the same thing. Like I have the access, but I didn't use that. So when I thought of having a triggering point, like okay, now it's the time I need to get that badge of ambassador. So I started literally at that point, and I was able to finish off. So everything comes with a time. So we need to have a patience, and then we need to be sticking to that one point, learning all the time and implementing because world is so big and we have a lot of opportunities waiting for us.
Right. And grabbing those opportunities is one thing that we need to do. And
Yeah,
thank you.
absolutely,
Right.
absolutely.
Right. All right. Okay. Okay, Rakesh, thank you so much for having this conversation with us. I just loved your brilliant success that you have achieved with FlexiFunnels and many more successes to your way. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Thank you and all the best for Flexible launch too.
Yeah. Thank you.